Hi, ma'am. Thank you so much for joining us here at the Hindu Huddle 2026. How do you feel about attending this event, and what are you looking forward to about your session today?
Thank you. First of all, it's a great opportunity for me to be here. I mean, we all know that the Hindu Huddle is a very exciting event, talking about contemporary topics,
Right.
debating, discussing things that are important to society today.
Right.
So, our session is about AI, chatbots, and mental health,
Right.
a topic which is very close to my heart. And of course, it's something that everybody's talking about these
Yes,
days.
definitely.
Like,
Yeah.
do are chatbots good for mental health or not so good for mental health? So,
Yes.
we're going to deep dive into the topic
Right.
with my colleagues on the panel.
Right.
And mental health being such an important issue right now, I think it's so good that the Hindu Huddle has chosen it as a topic
Right.
for discussion. And we really feel that we'll start the discussion, get people to think about it,
Right.
and focus on things that probably need to be answered as we go into the future with this
Right.
very important AI which is there in our midst
Yes,
right now.
definitely. And talking about mental health, what is the one change in how Indians think about mental health today that gives you hope?
Well, I mean, one thing is that the younger lot,
Right.
the youth are really very cued into their own mental health.
Right.
I think many of them are very aware when they are anxious, when they are depressed, something that was not happening earlier.
Right.
And this is not just in urban areas or cities, but in two-tier cities and more even rural areas. People are talking about mental health.
Right.
Of course, it started probably around the pandemic, but then people are more open to seeking help, which is a good thing.
Right.
And while some of them may be over labeling themselves, but
Yeah.
I do feel ultimately it's an optimistic thing that people are seeking out, even if they're not sort of completely having a disorder,
Right.
but even if they're distressed, even if they're upset, they are
Yeah.
seeking help so that they don't reach to a point where they need a mental health professional. So I
Right.
think it's a great time to be a mental health professional right now.
Right,
Yeah.
lovely. And on the contrary, what's one misconception about mental health that you wish you could erase from the minds of people?
So one thing is that medications are addictive,
Right.
which they are not.
Okay.
And the fact that anybody who goes to a mental health professional needs to go to them for life,
Right.
or is crazy. I think there are some pockets where that sort of impression is still there.
Right.
And I think there's still a lot of misconception about severe mental illness.
Right.
While people are okay to talk about having depression, anxiety, or even trauma, which is used a lot,
Yeah.
people are still not very accepting of having a bipolar illness or a psychosis.
Right.
So I think we really need to get there, but I'm hopeful that we'll get there.
Right. Thank you so much, ma'am. That's all we have for you today. We're really looking forward to your session.
Thank you. Thank you for having me. Yeah.